Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change a Google Drive name and Android. But before I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Google Drive and just go ahead to your account here at the top right in the corner of your screen. And as you can see, this is my name on my Google Drive account, which is Emily. So if you want to change it, just go ahead to this Google account option. After, go to this personal info. We'll find here the name option. I'm gonna tap on it, and to change it you just have to erase the first name here. I'm gonna change it and remove it, and after just create and enter your new name for your account. And you can also add for the short name, you guys. Now just tap on the save if you wanna save it. As you can see, for my name on my Google Drive account is already changed. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.